Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Tome Storytelling AI app online on your computer. And now let's start writing. Now to log into your Tome Storytelling AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address tome.app and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Tome AI, and let's wait for it. And over here guys, at the home page of the Tome AI, in order to log into your Tome AI account, at the top right corner of the screen you're going to see the sign in button available for us. Simply click on that sign in first. And over here guys, you can see there are three panels logged to your Tome AI with your Google, with your Apple, and a manual login. If you want to log into your Tome AI account with a Google or an Apple account, simply click on either of these buttons which says sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. And if you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or Apple will open depending upon which one you click. And if you log into your respective Google or Apple account, you'll be signed into your Tome app or the Tome AI with your Google or your Apple accounts. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address for a manual login. Enter the email address with which you had created an account on the Tome app, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your Tome AI account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and the password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Tome Storytelling AI account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your Tome AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.